Hi, this is Caleb on the keys, and today I'll be playing for you Dinosaur Stomp, page 58. Okay. So today I'm going to be talking about Dinosaur Stomp. And this song is really fun, and I think the funnest part is a lot of people like to dance to it. And that's one of my favorite parts, the swing part. So we should just get into the Dinosaur Stomp. So what you want to do is you're going to do, so these low notes is the bass. And I'm not going to talk to you about this terribly too much, but just a little bit. So the low notes are G, B, C, C flat, D, and then repeat. And the swing part goes C flat, D, G, C flat. So work on G flat. And then you add the C, rest. Alright, you can pause it if you're having a little bit of trouble. So now you're going to go and you're going to repeat that. So you're going to go. And then here it changes up. C, C flat half note. So 1, 2, 1, rest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go D, C, B, A, D, C, B, A. And then you're going to add the chords from, this is not Jingle Bells that I showed in my last video. So, and then a different chord is going to be C, and then G, C, so, and then the swing part again. So you're just going to repeat the whole bass. And that's what I like about this song. Simplistic, but you can dance to it. And most people would think it's a little harder. So it's just, you repeat. This part's a little different. Let's slow our roll right here. So this part would be D for both hands, C, and then D, and both half notes. So basically the same notes, just lower octaves. So G on the bottom hand like there, and then the little 8 thing below it, that means you're gonna go 1 octave down. So, and then, so now, it's pretty quick, but I wanted you to be able to work on this so you could really show your friends how much you've improved on Dinosaur Stomp. So I'm going to do this one time really fast, or no, not my bad. One time slower so then you can work on it. And then next time, regular pace. So. Now I'm going to do it at normal pace. This was Caleb on the keys. I hope you enjoyed Dinosaur Stomp. I want you to go play it for somebody. And this is Caleb out. Bye.